What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Got a couple cars out here getting ready to do some test drives on. The first one, 1969 Dodge Coronet. Supposed to have a 440 up under the hood. This is probably going to be the one I start the test drive on. So be looking for that. And of course we got another car sitting over here. It's a 1970 Coronet. Also a 440. You know I had to get them up here side by side. We're doing both test drives back to back. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Go look around the car. Go ahead, take your poll. Do you think the horn works in this one? Be trying a few things out in this car. It's nice and clean up in here. All right, go ahead and start it up. Tax coming up on the dash. It's showing 89,000 miles. I got the engine temperature up, so it's sitting here idling. About 180, that's pretty good. 70 on the oil pressure. See what else we got here. Flashers, panel, lights, washer, wipers. Let's try wipers, make sure wipers are working. Checking those out. I don't think the blower motor is working on this one. We'll go ahead and try the horn out, see if it works. It does work. All right, guys, let's hit the road. We're gonna hit the road. Anything that I see that may be wrong with this car, I will let you know. Go ahead and get my seatbelt on. It is in here. It's just wrapped up all behind me. Woo! See how it runs and drives here. Good going down the road. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. The car is pulling to the left. Pretty hard, see it going back. Steering does have a bit of slack in it as well. Feels pretty good going down the road though. We're going to go ahead and try the brakes before we get too far here. Suspension's very stiff. This motor gets down though. I've always known Dodge cars in general and this year to be very stiff in the suspension area. That's for sure. Almost every one of them we've ever gotten has been that way. It's got a sick sound though. I like that. Engine temp's right at 200 on this one right now. Of course, that's a big motor and it's a very hot day. Blinkers are popping up on the dash there. Just checking everything out, making sure I ain't missing nothing here. Then we got some big storms rolling in. It's been like that all week. Car feels pretty good going down the road, but it is going to need some steering work. The steering on it feels a little weird, not perfect. Haven't really gotten anywhere where I can punch it. There's so much traffic today. It's just this town in general now. Oil pressure's still at 60, engine temp's right about 205. Getting down a little over half throttle in this car, it really sets you back. Feels good. All right, I'm gonna get some outside shots, and then we're gonna head on back to the lot. Get y'all back in the virtual driver's seat here. All right, I went ahead and cut this one off because it's starting to heat up around 2:15, and I was like, it's a little hot for me. I don't let it get above that normally. We'll go ahead and start her up. She's been sitting here for about 5 minutes or so. Of course, you know when you cut it off, the temperature actually goes up because it's not cooling down. And it's going back down. 210. It's about 210 now, so it's because we were just putting around, stopping, letting it run. I was letting it run for 15-20 minutes like that, and yeah, that'll make you heat up on you. Just looking around so I don't pull out front of anybody here. We'll head on back to the lot. Maybe we'll get a little stretch of open road now. This is that road with a big speed bump in it. Oh, and he turned out of our way. We do get a little stretch open road here. Speed bumps right here. Couldn't hardly even feel that. Front end, it sounds like it's a little low close to the tires. You can hear them touch every once in a while. All right, we're gonna pull back into the lot, jump in the other one, and go for another ride. Appreciate y'all riding with me. All right, guys, go ahead and check out maplemotors.com to see information on all the new cars that come in. This one went on hold pretty fast. I went ahead and just did a drive video to show you we do get this kind of stuff in, but it seems like the Mopar stuff just goes so fast I can never get a video of it. So I made one on this one, even though it just came in and it may already be sold. With that being said, this one's available. At least it is as of today, which is Thursday. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. If you need financing, we have that available. If you want to ship these cars all over the country, we have that available. And if you like this channel, hit subscribe. I try to post stuff every single day. We buy American classic cars. We're all family. Been here 37 years and plan on buying more. I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.